Hi guys! Here's your minimalist mom once again. So, today, kinda rattled ako because, you know, di ba, last 2 years, if I believe, binenta ko yung aming vanity mirror kasi hindi na talaga nagagamit. So, naalikabukan lang. I really need to you know, to say goodbye. But this time, ito ayan, nagiging scene dito sa kwarto namin. It's really a tragic part for me. Ayan, so, kada bumabangon ng umaga, kalat-kalat, di ba? It's not really good to look at and it's not really good, you know, energy na nakikita if we are waking up in the morning. So this time, ayan, tulungan niyo po akong mag-declutter because as we said, yeah, being minimalist, alright, minimalist mom, we need to declutter, clear everything in order for us to have a sound mind and body. Not only for us moms, but the whole family. Ayan. So, next na agad, no? Of course, kailangan natin ng wala akong trash bag. So, we need this one. Okay, disposable bag. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin dito sa halo-halo naming gamit dito sa kwarto. Ayan. So, actually, this would be for the body mirror. Ayan, nilagay namin dyan kasi we were really thinking na magagamit namin. But, actually, hindi na talaga siya nagagamit as a mirror. Kasi, we usually use this, you know, patong-patong, ayan. We usually use this maliit na mirror, okay? So, first, this would be for my makeup. So, mga ginagamit sa face. Ayan, kailangan ho nating kalkalin. Oh, ito, not sponsored. Okay, so I use BB cream every day kasi especially dito sa ating lugar, malamig. Kailangan natin ng konting protection for the skin. Pero ubos na siya, so we usually do this as a mom, di ba? So hinahati natin and we try to to get yung naiiwan pa. Pag hindi na nagagamit, wala nang laman, better throw it. Ayan. So, ito, of course, we need to return yung mga makeup ko, diba, na ginagamit ko. Pag lumalabas or all day, wala na akong BB cream. Baka may gusto mag-sponsor ng BB cream. Alright. There you have it. Itabi muna natin to because we're going to place it here on our table later. Okay? Okay, so this time, meron naman tayo yung araw-araw na ginagamit at saka yung in occasion lang natin ginagamit. So, kailangan natin i-separate yun para hindi ganito kagulo ang ating table. Diba? Ayan, so halo-halo na. Especially na we share one room with my daughter. Ayan. So, yung mga gamit. Okay, tabi muna natin itong lampshade, of course. Magagamit natin to, especially for kung nagme-makeup ka, kailangan mo ng brighter light, diba? Ayan. So, we also have some notebooks here. Ito, okay, notebooks, ito yung mga pinaglalagyan ko ng mga kung ano-ano, yan. And of course, for my child, ayan, so, ginagamit nyo you can see, mas medyo maayos na siyang tignan. And I would be showing you the finished product later on kasi medyo marami pa. Baka abutin tayo ng 3 hours dito. Okay? I would be showing you some pictures, later on. And I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me. Cleaning is really essential for us moms and for the whole family. As we are always saying, being a minimalist mom, being a minimalist person, ayan, it needs to, alright, all things that are not, you're not using it, it needs to go, alright, to the trash, of course, ayan. So later on, I would be showing you the finished product, ayan. So, tingnan nyo, mas maaliwalas naman pag walang gamit, diba? I'll see you again, and I hope you enjoyed decluttering my things inside the room. I'll see you again. Bye!
So, hi guys! Showing you my finished product. Finished product daw. Pero anyway, ito na yung nangyari sa ating vanity room, vanity area, I mean. Alright? So, hindi ko po tinanggal yung mga arts ng aking anak dahil napaka-importante po sa kanya yan. And of course, nilagyan ko siya ng something like this para pag upuan niya, pag nagbabasa siya, or kung mangangalkal siya ng at least a little bit organized na lalagyan ng mga lalagyan. And I also place a hair blower there, yung kanyang headset, dahil siya ang matagal talaga gumamit ng vanity area namin. So, there you go, headset, kasi mahilig siyang ng music. And of course, ito yung how do you call this? Yung pinakita kong artwork na nanggaling sa coffee nook namin. Ayan. So, andito rin yung mga daily use ng things niya. Ayan. So, we have lotion, yung mga skincare niya. Yun. There you go. And of course, ito, hindi ko rin tinanggal to kasi minsan nagdo-drawing po siya. So, aside from this one, yung mirror pala, mga guys, for the mirror, niliitan ko na siya. Ayan. There you go. So, mas maliit siya kasi usually naman, mga muka. Mukha lang naman, yung hair lang namin ng ini-stylan kong mas mainam yon kaysa yung malaking mirror na minsan hindi naman nagagamit for the whole face, diba? So, it's practical to have this small mirror. Ayan, kasi mas siya sa space. So, there you go. We have also the lampshade. Hindi ko po siya tinanggal. Ayan, kasi kailangan yan paggabi. So, eto, balik po tayo nito. Hindi ko rin tinanggal to kasi minsan, ito yung drawing, ng anak ko. Drawing book niya. So, actually, vanity table ng anak ko to. Hindi po sa akin. Ayan. So, eto, pwede niyang gamitin for, and for drawing. Let's take this. Yan. So, pwede siyang mag-draw here kung hindi naman niya gagamitin as vanity. So, there you go. I hope you like our more organized vanity area. Yan. So, yung mga anak nyong mahilig magpaganda, you could actually do this organized things para at least mas madali niyang makita ang mga things na dapat niyang mga things na dapat niyang i-use to have her skin beautified. And tayo rin mga mami, di ba? Kailangan din natin ito. So, there you go! I hope this one's better for you rather than the first one. Kalat-kalat talaga tambak. But this one, it's more organized and I hope you like it, guys. See you soon! Bye!